Hi, before I pop in to volunteer at Food Bank for the Heartland, I wanted to pass on top 4 things that the appraisers talked about are really critical that they pay attention to when they're appraising a house. Number 1, location. We tell you that all the time, but where your home is matters in relation to busy streets, etc. Number 2 is kitchens and bathrooms. They are required to specify the condition of kitchens and bathrooms. So when you're looking at where are you going to put some money, make sure that you invest in those areas. 3 is curable versus non-curable. So read paint, that can be cured. Backing to Costco cannot. That also relates to location. And then 4th, make sure that you are not over improving for your neighborhood. You will not get all of that money back. If you want it and you love it, do it, but don't expect to get the money back. So those are your top 4 tips and takeaways from the appraiser. If you have any questions, call Carmen first.